mommies, you once again welcome to Baby Ant's Kitchen. Thank you for always watching our videos, and I hope our babies are doing so well. In today's recipe, we're making banana rice puree for babies. So I'm using a 1/4 cup of white rice. I'll go ahead and give this a very clean wash, drain off the water, and set this rice aside. Again, for this recipe, I'll be using 1 full carrot. This carrot is already washed, so I'll just go ahead and peel the carrots and slice into smaller sizes. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is good in supporting the eye development of babies. So if you're adding carrots to your baby's recipe, you are helping improve the eyesight development of your baby. Also, carrots help strengthen the immunity in babies, so it's always good to add a portion of carrots in your baby's food. Now I'll transfer this rice into my saucepan and then go ahead to add my already prepped carrots. I'll go ahead and add a glass of water, and also for this recipe I'll be using a teaspoon of unsalted butter. After this, I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to give this a good stir and check whether this rice is perfectly cooked. I'll put up the fire and then allow it to cool. I'll just add a portion of this rice in my blender and then go ahead to add my banana. For this portion size of rice, I'm going to use just a half of this banana. So I'll just peel the banana and add this into my blender. Again, I'll go ahead and add my baby's milk. You can either use breast milk for this recipe or formula milk for this recipe. Bananas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, and it's also rich in carbohydrates. Bananas help support the nervous system of babies, so it's always good to add a portion of banana to your baby's food. Make sure this is blended smoothly and serve this to your baby. If you're giving this to a baby between 6 to 8 months, make sure this is very light for the baby. I hope you enjoy our recipes. Thank you for always watching our videos and hope to see you in our next recipe. Share this to any first-time mom you know. Kindly like, subscribe, and follow us for more yummy recipes for babies. Thank you.